Alright guys, I've got some breakfast, a few things to taste on the breakfast table. So you can see this idli. It looks pretty interesting. So let's see how this really tastes. Okay, the first thing, it's very hard. Now you got some yellowish thing. It's a little different idli here. I'll put the name around it. It's very hard, very dry. This is the sambar with it. So let's taste how this is really. It's a bit dry. Taste-wise, it's not a problem. I've eaten better than this. It's pretty okay. So some chutneys also here. So different chutneys here. So I only know basically the nariyal ka chutney. I don't know what the other two are. Let's taste what this is like. There are different tastes. And this is the orange. This chutney is spicy. Some lasan chutney in it. It tastes not bad at all. So we got some samosa here. Super oily looking, of course. Let's see how this tastes. Super oily. Definitely not my type. But I didn't like the samosa that much. So next thing, I've got some chicken sausage. There you go, guys. Chicken sausage is very, very good. It's standard, definitely, but not. So now I got some paneer paratha, guys. Looks really filling. Definitely, I can see the paneer. Let's say it's more. How's it? It's not that oily. So with some pickle here, but I'm not taking the pickle. I just want to eat how it tastes as it is. That's how it goes. Definitely good. So you got some yogurt also, if you want. You can dip with that, but it tastes really, really good. Definitely worth it. This is not my favorite at all. This is okay. This is pretty standard. And this tastes the sambar as it is. Let's see how the sambar tastes. Sambar is a bit salty in my opinion. I don't like it much. But yeah, and we have some chana masala here. So let's see how this tastes. Chana are very, very soft. Amazing. I think it's worth it. I've got an omelette here. Some masala omelette. So it's looking pretty decent. That's how it goes. It's really amazing. So we got a mushroom omelette here. I've never tasted a mushroom omelette, but okay, there goes. It looks something nice. Got mushrooms in it. Unbelievable. It's even better than masala omelette. The mushroom is actually enhanced the taste and it tastes amazing. Let's have a look at this. Very well made. It got some pepper in it and you can actually taste the pepper more in this than that. It's superb. It's one of the best omelettes I've eaten. It's the first time I'm eating a mushroom omelette and it tastes unbelievable. And we got some potatoes, hashed brown potatoes. Not tasting good at all. I'm cold and they're not tasting that good, but the omelets are really good and this mushroom omelette is a must try here. So next thing I've got a dosa. It's a plain sada dosa. This is a live counter, of course, and it's definitely crispy, nice. Sambar I already tasted. Sada dosa. It's yum. The batter is amazing. Definitely a worth try. The dosa has also been really amazing. The live burgers are amazing here. It's a must try. So guys, I got something from the bakery side. Looks pretty nice. So the first thing I've got is the cinnamon croissant here. So let's see how this really tastes. It looks pretty good. There's no filling in it. It's a basic croissant with lots of cinnamon in it. It's not sweet. I can't taste any sweetness in this. It's like salted. It's a salted cinnamon. I've eaten a sweet one, this is salted. So guys, I've got some fruit cake here. So let's see how this tastes. Wow, this is good. I've got some nuts around it. It tastes damn good. It's better than the cinnamon roll. And the other thing is a strawberry bun, guys. Feels weighted. So let's see. I think this has got something inside this. Let's see how this really tastes. It's got some cream. How it is. It's super delicious. It's been at the moment one of my favorites on this plate. And we have a Danish here, which is really nice looking. The presentation is amazing. Very good. This has been the best. Then this, then this. This has been pretty okay. I wish it was a bit sweet, but it's not. The bakery stuff is good. We got some pancakes and waffles. I'll try that. I'll show you that. Now I got some carrot juice. Look at the presentation. It's so cute. It's adorable. Let's see how this tastes like. It's carrot juice, by the way. Wow. It's something interesting. It's amazing. So guys, look at this. Something very interesting. This is a chocolate pancake. Again, you can see the presentation. These are live counters here. It looks pretty good and tasty, of course. But that I'll tell you only after I taste it how really the taste is. Just have a look at this. This one, some chocolate chips between it. Really amazing. Everything from this counter has been very nice. The live counters are really outstanding here than your standard buffet counter here. Definitely you should try this. And you can see how he sprinkle the sugar powder on this. Pretty well made. Thanks for watching, guys.